In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit keywords in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know how to find your keywords quickly and make common changes like pausing, removing, adjusting bids, and even setting automated rules, all without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Ads. This is a simple way to get there if you don't have the direct URL handy. When the results appear, make sure you're heading to the official Google Ads site. Look for the result from Google and check the domain to confirm you're on the legitimate page before moving on. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, click Sign In. Use the account that has access to your ads. If you manage more than one account, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so the changes you make affect the intended campaigns. You may be prompted to complete verification, which is normal. After signing in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click the campaigns icon. This brings you to the central view where your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords are organized. Think of this as your main dashboard for making structured changes. Next, open the section labeled Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This is where Google groups targeting and keyword controls. It helps to expand the panel so you can clearly see the options related to keywords. Now go to the Search Keywords area. Here you'll see the table of keywords running across your campaigns or within the campaign or ad group you've focused on. Use the search bar or filters to find a specific keyword by name, match type, or performance. Filtering first can save time and reduce mistakes. Select the keyword you want to change, then click Edit. If you intend to alter the keyword's text or match type, remember that in many cases, this is treated like removing the old keyword and creating a new one, which can reset performance history. Keep that in mind before you proceed. From the edit options, choose what you need. Copy lets you duplicate a keyword so you can reuse it elsewhere. Enable or pause controls whether the keyword is actively serving. Remove deletes it from the account if it's no longer needed. Change bid adjustments can modify how your bids react to certain conditions if you're using a strategy that supports adjustments. Change max CPC bids updates the maximum cost per click for search placements, while change max CPM bids adjust cost per thousand impressions for display style campaigns. If you want consistency over time, create an automated rule to apply these changes on a schedule or based on conditions you define. Review your changes, apply them, and you're done. That's how to confidently edit keywords in Google Ads.